Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x8024000e and Windows computer with the error message. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep saying this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help with the error code 0x8024000e. So these updates are typically identified by knowledge base numbers that provide additional details for each respective update. And one of the most common reasons for errors such as 0x8024000e is corruptions within the Windows Update components, which can disrupt the normal update process. And then I'll show you a comprehensive solutions to fix underlying Windows issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And once you open up this troubleshoots, so under here at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And under here at most frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, and then you need to click this run and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so whatever the scan result in here, then you need to follow on the screen. So we have the one problems found for the Windows Update issues, and then if this is fixed already, then you need to click yes. If not, then click no, and you can view also the view detailed informations of the issues. Alright, so after the completing of troubleshootings and the other solutions we will do is to temporarily disable antivirus software. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Windows Security and click open. And once you open up this Windows Security, and here at left side menu, and then you need to select virus and threat protections, and on right side, and then scroll down under here at virus threat protection settings, and then click this manage settings, and then here at virus threat protection settings, and that you can see here the real-time protections. So all you have to do is to disable this real-time protections button. So disabled or turn off if you receive user account control, and then click yes. Alright, so once you turn off this virus and threat protections, and the other solutions we will do is to repair system file corruptions. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, we need to enter this command keyword dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use this keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy for this, and then we need to paste in here. So use this keyboard shortcut Control plus B and press enter, and deploy image and servicings in management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100% in just a couple of minutes. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. So we will do this command keyword as fc scan now because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker or SFC tool, which scans all the protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And finally, verifications 100% complete. So we need to close this CMD at here at start menu, and then we need to restart your PC. Alright, so click only restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x8024000e. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.